On this episode of the Myatt Fam Kid Cam, we head to Indian Falls for a hiking adventure.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Myatt Fam, and today we are having an awesome adventure.
Indian Falls is located just north of the city of Owen Sound.
Hey guys, we're almost there and I am so excited. But guys, don't forget to subscribe to the Myatt Fam, hit that notification bell and subscribe. And give us a big thumbs up, right Co? Subscribe to this channel!
Finding Indian Falls is easy. Head north on the Eddie Sargent Parkway, head past the marina and past the Legacy Ridge Golf Course until you hit Balmy Beach, and you'll find the entrance there.
Hey guys, we're pulling in here and it says this Indian Falls, and we're pulling in. And there's a baseball field down there. Like, it's not big at all, but we're gonna go. So, Colby, are you excited? I'm excited.
In order to get ready for our big hike, we have to warm up. Peyton decides to take a ride. We'll check out the board. The main hike into the falls is about 0.7 kilometers.
Long walk.
Yeah.
Let's go, Colby. We're going on an adventure.
Excited for your adventure?
Yeah, I don't know where we're going. Yeah, there's the hill to get up there. And there's a path here. No, that one really is. That's not the red mark.
We'll walk those paths later, buddy. You might end up on those paths. Right here, there's one on this tree.
Where? Where's the next one?
The hike into Indian Falls was very scenic. Nestled along the river banks, we simply had to follow the red markers so we wouldn't get lost. Another beautiful day here in Grey County.
Definitely not going there. We're not taking the 27
Guys, there's a red mark and then a yellow mark.
That's what you do, Peter.
I think we could keep on going here and see where we need to. If it leads to a dead end, then it's... just found stairs.
Can we sit that at the same time? That's all I'm saying. And there's red mark. So we just have to go
Red mark, guys, we go up here.
this way.
We have to go up here.
We found more stairs, guys.
Yeah, guys, let's go. This is steep up here, Dad.
Here's the way it's steep, guys.
Yeah, it's a lot steep up here.
You have to hold these stairs.
Another a red mark. Another red mark.
Are you tired, Mommy?
Whose idea was this?
I think it was yours, wife. Tired?
Dude.
I'm with you, brother.
I see it. Look.
And look at these people down
Guys, look, there's those statues of people, but like in rock.
We made it to the top of Indian Falls. What a beautiful sight from above. Next up, our hike down to the bottom. It would be quite an adventure. You better check it out.
You have to hold on tree branch in case you fall.
Guys, I see a path that leads to the rocks. That's where we're supposed to go.
We probably have to do something. Yeah. I kind of like it.
I don't want to stay back there.
We're not going. There's no down to there.
Guys, it goes all the way up to there. It's not a dead end.
We made it, Peyton.
Yeah. I did.
I'm doing it! I see it!
That's hot.
Colby, come over across this way, buddy. Across the bridge. Come across the bridge.
Dad! Hi, guys!
You find the trail, Colby? Well, we made it to the falls. You can't get this in the city. Check out that view. After a long day of hiking, there's no better way to cool down than to take a dip. Time for a swim. Hard to believe that just an hour prior we were way up there taking a look from above. What a beautiful day. Like all great things, they must come to an end. So our hike back begins. Don't slip, Colby.
Or can we go up here?
Okay guys, so we got back from Indian Falls. Now I just have to go to the car and grab a load of water.
Okay, guys. We rock out.
If you guys like this video, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Hit that notification bell and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye!